Hello, and welcome to the Exploring Majors Fair at Norwalk Community College. My name is Dr. Paul Gallo, and I'm Director of Exercise Science and Wellness at NCC. I hope that this video finds you doing well and staying safe during these uncertain times. I also hope that your fall 2020 academic studies are off to a great start. I'd like to spend the next few minutes to talk to you about our associate degree in exercise science at Norwalk Community College. One of the reasons why I decided to study exercise science is because I enjoy helping people. And every day that I could report to work as a clinical exercise physiologist in a rehabilitative setting, I was able to help somebody and help that person make a difference in their personal health and wellness, or with the management of their chronic disease or disability. And that was very important to me. So what if you study exercise science at NCC? What are your career options? The two major career pathways in exercise science include health fitness setting or clinical exercise physiology setting. The health fitness professional is an individual that is seen in commercial, nonprofit organizations, college, university, or corporate wellness settings, or even self-employment. The health fitness professional deals mostly with healthy individuals to help with their behavior modification and exercise testing and programming to meet that person's health fitness goals. The clinical exercise physiologist, who is an allied health professional, is seen in hospital and rehabilitative settings, and they will be working with individuals who have been recently diagnosed with a disease or disability or managing recovery from an injury or surgery. The clinical exercise physiologist will help with exercise testing and programming to help these individuals better manage these conditions or fully recover from their injuries. Again, my career path, I chose the clinical exercise physiology route. Are there any other career pathways associated with exercise science? Well, that's a great question. Other career pathways include, but are not limited to, physical therapy, athletic training, physical and health education, physician's assistant, nursing, and nutrition and dietetics. Please keep in mind that many of these associated career paths do require an undergraduate or graduate degree in order to practice in the state of Connecticut. The clinical exercise physiologist also requires a master's level degree to practice. So, what is the study of exercise science? What does that mean? That's a great question. Exercise science is the study of stressors on human physiology and human anatomy. Well, what are these stressors? That's another great question. Stressors could be anything from the environment we live in and how that impacts our anatomy and physiology and how we adapt to that environment. It includes anything that we can use as a training modality. For instance, resistance training. If you use weights, there's going to be a number of muscle adaptations that occur in order for you to sustain that resistance or move to higher resistances. Chronic disease or conditions alone can also cause negative health consequences and are another form of stressors that we can place on the human body. What about those medications that we use to manage or maintain chronic disease or different conditions? Those can also alter human physiology. So we need to really understand how to work with different individuals who have these different stressors applied to their health and well-being while prescribing safe and effective exercise to improve their overall health and wellness and manage these conditions. Now, you might be asking, let's say I finish my studies at NCC. Can I transfer these credits anywhere? Well, I've got great news for you. The credits at NCC, all 60 credits of the associate degree program, fully transfer to our two CSU partners, Central and Southern Connecticut State University. We also have full articulation agreements with Sacred Heart University and Springfield College. These are just a few colleges in the area that will accept our credits as long as you have a grade of C or better. If you decide to transfer to a different institution, that institution will assess our courses individually and determine what will in fact transfer there. Just recently, we had two of our graduates transfer to UMass as well as Penn State University. Now, during your 2 years here at Norwalk Community College, what are some of the perks associated with the exercise science program? One of them is our internship program, which is fantastic. You'll accumulate a total of 150 hours of experience in an internship setting that you're interested in pursuing a career path moving forward. So as an example, if you're somebody who's really interested in cardiac rehab, we may place you in one of our local hospitals that accept our interns. We also have research grade laboratories available on campus that our students can get involved with the research that is going on or being conducted by the program faculty. We are one of the only associate degree programs in Connecticut that will allow for this opportunity within your associate degree studies. We also have a fully functioning wellness center, which our students in exercise science can be employed as wellness attendants, where you get immediate on-the-job training with regard to exercise testing and programming and managing a variety of different clients with different diseases, conditions, or sports performance goals. We have a wonderful student exercise science club that allows for our students to attend conferences and seminars, to engage in community service, and to offer on-campus events such as health screenings or fitness challenges. So if you are interested in exercise science, even if you're not in the major, I strongly recommend you become involved with the Exercise Science Student Club. What about work? If you complete your associate degree, can you get a job? Well, I've got great news here as well. 100% of our graduating students that go directly to employment will get jobs within a 3-month period. And these statistics are valid up until March of 2020. Now, how many students complete the associate degree and go immediately to work? That's about 60% of all the students in our major. Well, what do the other 40% do? They transfer to one of the 4-year schools that I mentioned to you earlier, or another school of their choice. One of the other benefits of the health fitness profession is self-employment. We know that more and more graduates in these current times are relying on self-employment, which is a possibility and what some of our alumni have done and have been very successful with that. Now, what's a great course that you could take to determine is exercise science an appropriate study for a major or area of study for me or not? And the course that I recommend for all of you is HPE 105. This course is titled Introduction to Exercise Science and is a 3-credit course that is offered every fall and every spring. So I strongly encourage you to take a look at that course description or contact me so you can get more information on it. I could also help you register for the course if that's of interest to you. So where can you get more information on the exercise science program? Well, you can start by visiting the college website at norwalk.edu. Under academics, you can look in our academic college catalog that will give you information on our program. You can also go under resources in the website and click on Wellness Center. This will give you more information on our research grade laboratories, our health and wellness center, as well as our exercise science student club. If you wish to contact me to discuss this area of study further, please do so. My email is pgallo@norwalk.edu, pgallo@norwalk.edu, or you can leave me a message at 203-857-7194. I'd like to thank you for your time today, and I hope to speak with you soon. Good luck with the rest of your studies this fall semester. Take care.